Hello and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, I'm AGG, and if you're not, welcome back. I'm gonna do a quick grocery haul to show y'all what I've been eating like over the past few months. When I first started this, practicing vegetarianism, is that a word? Anyway, practicing of not eating meat, like I was doing good. I was eating like real fruits, vegetable, real food out of the produce section. Now I have definitely moved on to more processed food. Quit eating real meat and start eating a lot of processed meat. Well, really probably within like the past month, because I haven't been wanting to cook and I've been like wanting something like a meaty texture and flavor. So I'm gonna show y'all some of my favorite things that I get, in addition to like other food that is in my diet. Okay, gotta love a good affordable grocery haul. So first let's start with ALDI's, which is big over there. So ALDI's don't have like a lot of other processed plant-based meat. I must keep saying processed because I'm trying to shame myself, but I get like a lot of basics from ALDI's. Lately I've been loving cereal with warmed up peanut butter. I originally started off eating like these crispy oats. No, I do not buy the name brand because the name brand is like $4 more. They taste exactly the same. I eat it with warmed up peanut butter, and these got like a lot of like your minerals and vitamins in it, like cereal does. But my favorite so far has been like crispy rice with warmed up peanut butter with bananas and cinnamon. Like I know I told y'all about to put with honey, so I got that. Iced coffee. This is cheaper at ALDI's. They said it's at KROGER, but it's cheaper at ALDI's, and this is just good like for on the go making protein shakes, because you don't want to put like powder protein into like a hot coffee. You want to mix it with cold so that it don't clump up, and it makes it like really easy to have your protein on the go. If y'all love like those iced drinks from KROGER, I think they're like $1. ALDI have their own brand. It's called Sparkling Frost, and they're like 59¢. This is the best flavor to me. Ice has this exact same one. I actually like this one better because this one has more of a coconut flavor than the ice brand that they sell at KROGER. And then I just get other affordable basics from ALDI. Instant oatmeal. You can make protein oatmeal with this, with protein bars. These have gotten higher, but I think our protein bars have gotten higher. Orange juice. This is only a few cents cheaper at ALDI's, but whichever store I go to first, either ALDI or KROGER, I'll just get orange juice. Eggs are affordable again, so I just broke down and started buying eggs. I just get like the brown eggs in my mind because they brown and more healthy. I don't know if that's true or not. I just like to boil these and put these with like my ramen that I eat, or just like as a snack on the go, like as a high protein. And a lot of times I take the yolk out because the yolk is the fattening part, and I like to get my fat from peanut butter these days and eat the egg whites. But this, and then like a carton of egg whites. Now when I first started not eating meat, I also tried to go dairy free and egg free. That is not for me. Like I'm not allergic to dairy. Dairy don't do nothing off to me, so I do eat dairy, and I definitely eat eggs again. But it was just hard getting in protein in the beginning when I wasn't eating like the plant-based meats and just eating like a lot of vegetables, trying to get like 100 grams of protein, and egg whites and eggs made that so much easier. So if you are not vegan or eggs and stuff don't bother you, good like protein. Last couple of things that I got from ALDI's. I got this Chikn Greek yogurt pineapple. This has 11 grams of protein. Like I said, I put dairy back in there, so now I can have like a little bit of yogurt. I also get like this non-fat plain Greek yogurt from ALDI, and then I will add protein powder to it, like stir it, and it makes it kind of like a really thick mixture, almost like a cheesecake texture, but it's a little more grainy, and it is really good if you eat it with like graham crackers. And then just like one serving of this has 18 grams of protein. And then I just try to get the other basics, just like some green stuff. I haven't been eating like too many vegetables, but I've been trying to get them back in again. So I get my spinach from there. I usually get my cilantro from KROGER, but it don't make a difference. And I used to hate cilantro. I done made myself like cilantro. I like cilantro on almost everything now. And weirdly enough, back in what was that, 2022, part of my goals was to eat more like herbs, and I have been eating like cilantro, rosemary. It's another one that I can't call right now. And then broccoli is high, except at ALDI's. It's like 85 cents or something for a whole bag. It might have went up to $1. Protein shakes, they high wherever you go. They full of stuff, but it's easy to get protein in with protein shakes. I don't care what nobody say. So I just checked the expiration date on it and cross my fingers that it's not too many bad additives in it. And lately I've been loving, I mean absolutely loving Caesar salads. Now, I haven't been eating bread. In February, I gave myself, was it March? In March, I gave myself a challenge of not having any bread just because. And now I've just like rolled it over to April, and now I'm going through May trying not to eat any bread. Then I realized I will eat croutons when I have my Caesar salad, and I also ate like some pizza. So outside of croutons and pizza, I'm trying not to eat any bread just because. Y'all know I love carbs, so it's not because of carbs. I think it's like just to have something that I'm doing in the background, since I'm not really following like a diet outside of just not eating meat. And if y'all ever go to ALDI's have an aisle where they would have like seasonal stuff or like maybe name brand foods that they got in for like a short period of time. It's not like a staple there. This isn't a name brand food that I'm aware of, but they was lemon flavored. So I just got some lemon sandwich cookies, and I put them in a basket, and I was like, Ashley, you don't need no cookies. But then I hurried up and zoomed off the aisle, so I couldn't put it back. Now I want to try one. But it's not a good one. This one put on backwards. Let's try it. It's like a shortbread cookie with lemon on the inside, but it don't taste too lemony. Not like artificial. It's good. I'm definitely gonna eat all of these. Now let's move on to like some of my favorite plant-based meats, and I usually get those from Kroger. I broke the handle. First one is like this popcorn chicken nuggets from the garden, the ultimate plant-based chicken nuggets. These are like so good. I put them in the air fryer for like 10-15 minutes, and the outside of them crisp up really well, and it tastes like chicken, and it has the texture of chicken. Y'all would like these, like if y'all are trying to wean yourself off of meat but you're not quite ready to let it go. Sometimes I even have chicken with fries, like cut up the potatoes and put it in the air fryer too, and just make fries and chicken, and this kind of tastes like a kid's chicken nugget meal. It has 14 grams of protein per serving, and it's 190 calories per serving. This is on sale at Kroger right now for $6.99, but originally it cost $11.99. Now when it's $11, I do not buy this, but when it is on sale, it is definitely worth the $6 or $7 that it is, because it tastes just like chicken. My next chicken item that I get is this. I don't know how to pronounce this, and I ain't gonna try. But this is meatless diced chicken, and it's more like a grilled chicken. I like putting this like in like rice bowls when I make those. I put these in my ramen bowls as well. When I make my pizza at home, I put this on top of it. This just go with like a whole bunch of different stuff, just like chicken would. And this one is 17 grams of protein per serving, and it's 130 calories. Well, I plan to make some tacos, some chicken tacos with this. I bet that'll be so good. If you don't live on the rock, do you know about these bacon vegetarian strips from Morningstar? It does not taste like, it does not have the, I'm trying to explain it. It has some of the flavor of bacon, and if you cook it long enough, it will get crunchy. You will no way think that this is pork bacon, but you're not gonna care because it's still just that good when you eat it. This has a little bit of protein in it too, but for 2 strips it's only 2 grams of protein, so it's not a lot of protein. Oh, and if y'all want to, a BLT with some avocado, some vegan mayo, or regular mayo, if you're not dairy sensitive, it tastes just as good. And then because I can't let sausage go, like bacon is always good, but I love sausage. So I get this Beyond Meat spicy sausage, not the original sausage. The original sausage is cool, but it has nothing, and I do mean nothing, on the spicy sausage. I cook these in the air fryer as well. They get juicy and let off grease. I don't say it's grease, but whatever, they let off a juice just like regular sausage does. And this tastes almost exactly like sausage. The texture may be like a little bit different, but for the most part, spot on. For 2 patties, it's 180 calories, and 2 patties is 1 serving, and they have 11 grams of protein. So if you had your eggs with 2 patties of sausage, a little bit of vegetables, like you can easily get 25 grams of protein for breakfast eating vegetarian. I also decided to try, because I haven't been cooking, I plan to get back into cooking. Apparently I only really cook when I want to make new recipes for YouTube, so I need to start making my recipe videos again. But until then, we're trying recipe videos, because they ain't my recipes, I'm trying other people's recipes. I am going to try some new plant-based like frozen items. So I usually like to get frozen meals. Like when I was eating meat and I was trying to lose weight like a couple of years ago, I would buy like the Healthy Choice frozen meals and then just add like extra vegetables to it or extra chicken to it, and it almost was kind of like a meal prep. And this is maple chipotle veggie bowl. It has 11 grams of plant-based protein in it. Then I also got the Fiesta pepper bowl, and this one has 15 grams of protein in it. Oh, they're vegan. They're not even just vegetarian. Both of these are vegan and have plant-based protein in it. If I can't remember, I'll try to give y'all an update on how I like them. When I'm going to work, I don't have to fix anything. I can just pull these out of the freezer and just add some vegetables like in a side dish. Oh, and this one is 310 calories, which isn't bad for a meal. Then this one is 270 calories. Honorable mentions: honey creamy peanut butter. Y'all know I love store brand. I'm an affordable, cost efficient girl. Get some peanut butter, warm it up, and add some cereal to it. Not like no fruity cereal. Add some cereal to it and put a little honey on top. And let me know if y'all like that as a snack. Now it's not, I wouldn't say that it's healthy because it's gonna be full of fat because of peanut butter, but it's so good. So I got 2 of those. My favorite coffee, it's just instant coffee. I had 2 Keurigs, both of them broke, child. And then of course, a Lunny New energy drinks. They didn't have my favorite kind, which is a cherry slush, but I just got my second and third favorite kind. Juicy peach Hawaiian shaped ice. This is my second favorite one. And then I tried this Ghost orange cream soda last week. It was good. I don't know how much energy it gave me, but it definitely tastes good. And that's gonna be all for this week grocery haul. I got some good standard ingredients just to make some stuff with that's gonna be high protein. It's very processed this week, but I plan to get back to eating more whole foods like in the very near future. Start like trying recipes again, because that kind of keeps me on track as far as eating whole foods. And I'm gonna keep doing this meatless thing for as long as I can rough it out. This past month has been the first time that I've really just craved something that tastes like chicken. The other thing that I've been craving really bad is fish, probably because I've been watching like a lot of YouTube videos of people eating fish. Fish is just on my mind, so I need to find a good plant-based fish or some restaurant that make plant-based fish and just try it, because I want some. But anyway, thank you guys for tuning in. This was just a quick grocery haul. I think I'm making good on time. It's just 2:37. I just got to shower, fix a lunch, and drive to work. I mean, I can do that in 30 minutes, right? Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you guys soon. And until next time.
I've been out of my head, can't get out of bed. Too much on my brain, but got it good. Can't